Open the flow page. We will create an approval flow according to the title limit we set in the parameters. With queries we will create in these parameters, sales will be completed if the sales responsible does not exceed the set price limit. If the sales responsible exceeds the specified limit, the sales will be sent to the general manager for approval or rejection. Edit the flow properties. Add decision and configure it. Add send to approval and configure it. Here, we will configure for the decision to be completed, approved or rejected. Click on the document and select the ones required from properties. Click on the Create Document Connection and select the ones required from properties. Click on the Create Document Connection and select the ones required from properties. Add object and name it as Decision Query. Prepare the SQL query from the RM request table and let it fill up automatically. Include the manager field in the SQL query from the RM title entry table to show it. Master field will be title, join field will be user table ID. Include the limit field in the SQL query from the RM parameters table to show it. Master field will be department, join field will be department. User table ID will be filtered into the query. Select equal from the filter operations, $P user table ID from the filter. Edit the SQL query. Click on the decision and select the formula operations from properties. Edit the ones required from open page. Click on the decision connection and select the ones required from properties. Click on the decision connection and select the ones required from properties. Click on the send to approval and select the user actions from properties. Select the one required from the open page. Click on the Send to Approval connection and select the one required from properties. Click on the Send to Approval connection and select the one required from properties. Click on the end and name it as completed. Save the flow. Create a new responsive form and name it as confirmation screen. Form type will be as a report, that's why table name can be deleted. Add a list and name it as flow list. Add a text box and delete text label 1. Select text 1, name it as comment, and edit properties. Add a button and name it as approve. Add a button and name it as reject. Add a button and name it as approve. Select Flow List, prepare the SQL query from the Xpoda Workflows table, and let it fill up automatically. Include the user table ID field in the SQL query from the RM request table to show it. Master field will be Flow Document ID, Join field will be User Table ID. Include the Project ID, Form Type ID, and Amount fields in the SQL query. Include the user full name field in the SQL query from the Xpoda client users table to show it. Master field will be RM requests create user, Join field will be user ID. Edit Flow ID's other name. Flow process will be filtered into the query. Select equal from the filter operations, A23 from the filter. Flow state will be filtered into the query. Select equal from the filter operations, 0 from the filter. Edit user full name's other name. Edit the SQL query. Select the Approve button, add new action, and select the ones required. Select the Reject button, add new action, and select the ones required. Add new action, and select the ones required. Select the Show Request button, add new action, and select the ones required. Select the Confirmation Screen Report form, add new action from right pane, and select the ones required. Save and run your app to see changes. You can start using it right away. Alex Smith is the sales responsible and set price limit is 120. Since the set limit has been exceeded, the sales have been sent to the general manager for approval or rejection. There is no price limit as Robert Brown is the manager. So the sales will not be sent to the general manager for approval or rejection. Since John Smith is the general manager, he can approve or reject the requests. Have fun!